Stitch number 6 is a triple stitch. This is one stitch that when my students see it, they really find themselves amazed of how pretty this stitch looks. Now, I'm going to fold the fabric on the diagonal because it's actually going to stretch when we're done. So it's actually going to take a couple stitches forward, so like 2 stitches forward, 1 stitch back. So just go ahead, get your foot into this and let it stitch. The nice thing is that every stitch is in the exact same hole as it goes forward and back. So that means there's actually 3 stitches on every single stitch. So if you've ever wanted a stitch that looks really bold, but you don't want to have to buy thicker thread, which means you need a top stitch needle, which means sometimes you even have to adjust your tensions a little bit, you have a stitch built in right into your machine. And because this is a stretch stitch, it's going to hold together, not pop. That would be great for a pair of like a crotch seam where the jeans are, or just any place you want to reinforce. Sometimes when you have handles that go into bags and they want you just to kind of stitch 3 times, this is a great stitch to use so it doesn't look like you've just stitched it 3 times and it doesn't all line up. It looks really professional. This is a great way to make it look like top stitching, like at the bottom of jeans, but without actually having to match the thread identical. And believe me, I guarantee you there is not kind of this lime green thread in the top stitching color range. Here is another thing you can do. Stitch number 7 is the zigzag version of this. Of course, you can make this any width or length that you want. So it comes up at almost 6 and a length of 3. And how about we'll make it a little bit longer as we go here, just to see the difference. I love that I can change it while I'm sewing here. But this will give you a great idea. It almost looks like rickrack. It's very bold and can really give you a neat look as an accent stitch as well. Still has that same durable stretch like the triple straight stitch.